Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi. Today we are going to do word meanings and question answers of chapter. Tell me. Yes, a little fish story. In our last video we have covered reading, explanation and hard words. Okay. So what was there in the chapter? What was there in the story? The story was about a little fish. किसकी story थी? एक little fish की, छोटी fish की. Okay? He was very upset. Do you know the reason why he was upset? आपको पता है कि वो upset क्यों था? Only because he was so very small. क्योंकि वह बहुत छोटा था इसलिए वह upset था. Okay? So he used to say every time that the big fish should be thankful for the size they have got. वो कहता था हमेशा कि जो बड़ी फिश हैं उनको हमेशा थैंकफुल रहना चाहिए कि उनको बड़ा साइज मिला है, वो बड़ी है इसलिए उन्हें थैंकफुल होना चाहिए. ओके. वन डे व्हेन ही वाज स्विमिंग अलोंग विद द अदर फिश he found himself and the other fish in the meshes of a great net. ओके. उसने अपने आप को कहाँ पाया? बहुत बड़े जाल में अपने आप को अदर फिश के साथ, दूसरी फिश के साथ पाया. ओके. सो एवरीबडी ट्राइड टू गेट आउट ऑफ द नेट. जो बड़ी फिश थी उन सब ने ट्राई किया बट दे वर अनसक्सेसफुल. ओके. वह सफल नहीं हो सकी. But the little fish, because of his small size, okay, about the small size, he used to complain. Okay, वो हमेशा complain करता था उसके small size के लिए. But only because of that small size, he was able to get out of the net. Okay, उस बड़े net से उसने अपने आप को कैसे बाहर निकाला? Yes, because of his small size. अपने स्मॉल साइज की वजह से ही वह नेट्स के जाल में से जो है बाहर निकल पाया. ओके. नाउ ही नेवर एवर सेड दैट ही वांट टू बी अ बिग फिश. ओके. अब उसने कभी नहीं कहा कि वह एक बड़ी फिश बनना चाहता है. ओके. सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न्ड इन दैट स्टोरी? In that story we have learned that we should be thankful for the things we have got. Okay. We should not be greedy and we should not compare us with others. Okay. हमें अपने आप को कभी भी दूसरों से compare नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay. In a better way you can compare. Okay. But not in a bad way. Okay. Not in a complaining way. Okay. आपको कभी भी complain नहीं करनी चाहिए कि आपके पास कुछ नहीं है और दूसरों के पास सब कुछ है. Okay. अब दूसरों के पास सब कुछ है, माइट बी दे हैव देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो. अब जो हर चीज होती है उसके साथ प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती है. दे हैव डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स, यू हैव डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स. सो यू शुड नॉट कंप्लेन. ओके. आपको कभी भी कंप्लेन नहीं करना चाहिए. आई होप द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट अदर्स हैव. ओके. मुझे पता है कि बच्चे जो हैं कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं दूसरों के पास जो चीज है उसके लिए. ओके. वेरी नाइस. बिकॉज ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स are very good of grade 3. I know you all are very good. Okay. And you are not complaining at all. Very nice. Now after that we have studied hard words. Okay. उसके बाद हमने क्या किया था? Hard words करे थे. I had told you to learn the hard words, isn't it? So now you will tell me the spellings. Okay. I'll ask you, tell me the spelling of floundering. Floundering. Tell me the spelling of floundering. Do you have learned? Yes, I know you all have learned and you all are paying attention towards your studies, isn't it? Tell me the spelling of floundering.
Floundering.
Very nice. The spelling of floundering is Floundring. Floundering. Repeat after me. Floundring. Floundering. Floundering. Now tell me the spelling of wriggled. Tell me the spelling of wriggled.
WRIGGLED.
Very nice. The spelling of wriggled is WRIGGLED. Wriggled. The spelling of wriggled is, repeat after me, WRIGGLED. Wriggled. Very nice. Now tell me the spelling of emptied.
EMPTIED.
Very good. The spelling of emptied is EMPTIED. Emptied. Repeat after me. EMPTIED. Emptied. Now tell me the spelling of contented.
CONTENTED.
Very nice. The spelling of contented is CONTENTED. Contented. The spelling of contented is, repeat after me, CONTENTED. Contented. Very nice. Now we will do the word meanings. Okay. I hope you all are sitting with your notebooks. Okay. Every day I am saying this, that while watching the video you have to sit with your notebooks and we will do the work all together. Okay. Now write down. First of all you should write the date. Okay. Before doing anything in your notebooks you should write the date. First of all write date here. Okay. Write down. This we have written already. Okay. When we were doing hard words, now you will write word meanings. Word meaning. Okay. If somehow you are not able to write with me, you can pause the video and finish. Okay. You finish writing. So now the first word is million. 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 The meaning of million is a very large amount. A very large amount. The meaning of million is a very large amount. Repeat after me. A very large amount. Okay. Now the second word meaning is contented. Second word meaning is contented. Contented. Contented means thankful. Contented means thankful. Thankful. Contented means thankful. Okay. Now the third word is meshes. 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 Meshes means a network of wires. A network of wires. WIRES. A network of wires. Okay. Repeat after me. A network of wires. Very nice. Now the second word is emptied. 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 It means removed. Okay. Removed. 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 Emptied means removed. Repeat after me. Removed. Removed. Now again we can read. Okay. After this we will do the rest word meanings. Million. A very large amount. contented, thankful, contented, thankful, meshes, a network of wires, emptied, removed. Now we will do the rest word meanings, okay? Now the fifth word is floundering. 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 Okay. The meaning of floundering is to move awkwardly. 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 Okay. To move awkwardly. Awkwardly means बेढंगे तरीके से. Okay. Now the next is wriggled. Okay. WRIGGLED. 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 Okay. Wriggled means came out with quick movements. Quick movements. Came out with quick movement. Okay, wriggled means came out with quick movement. Repeat after me. Came out with quick movement. Very nice. Now the seventh one is haul. 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 Okay. Haul means quantity of something. QUANTITY. Quantity. Quantity of something. Something. Quantity of something. Quantity of something. Haul means quantity of something. Okay, repeat after me. Quantity of something. Very nice. Now next is school. 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 The meaning of school is, tell me the meaning of school. A group of fish. Okay. The meaning of school is a group, GROUP, group of fish. A group of fish that stay together. That stay together. A group of fish that stay together. A GROUP, group of fish, FISH, fish that stay, STAY, stay together, TOGETHER, together. Okay. Now we can revise again. Floundering means to move awkwardly. Sorry. Floundering means to move awkwardly. Awkwardly means अजीब तरीके से हिलना. Okay. So the fish were floundering. Why? To get out of the net. So next is wriggled. Next is wriggle. Wriggle means came out with quick movements. Okay. जल्दी से, quick movements means जल्दी से बाहर निकलना. Okay. हॉल मीन्स क्वांटिटी ऑफ समथिंग, क्वांटिटी मीन्स मात्रा, ओके, किसी भी चीज की मात्रा, ओके, किसी चीज का बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होना, ओके, क्वांटिटी ऑफ समथिंग, किसी भी चीज की मात्रा, ओके, लाइक द हॉल ऑफ फिश, ओके, द हॉल ऑफ फिश emptied in the boat, okay, hall means quantity of something. Next is school means a group of fish that stay together, stay means रहना, together means साथ, okay, ग्रुप कैसे बनता है, बहुत सारी फिश से बनके बनेगा, ठीक है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों या बहुत सारी चीजों से बनके ग्रुप बनता है, ठीक है, तो ग्रुप ऑफ फिश, यहाँ पर किसका ग्रुप है, फिश का ग्रुप है, ओके, मछलियों का ग्रुप है जो एक साथ रहते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम, स्कूल, ओके, क्या बोलते हैं, स्कूल. Now this is the time to do the question answers, okay. First question is, how many fish are there in the sea? How many fish are there in the sea? बेटा, do your work with care, okay, try to minimize the mistakes आपको कम से कम करनी है, ट्राई करो कि मिस्टेक्स हो ही ना, ओके. हाउ इट विल हैपन, व्हेन यू विल डू योर वर्क विथ केयर, जब आप अच्छे से अपना वर्क करोगे, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ करोगे, ओके. हाउ मेनी फिश आर देयर इन द सी, कितनी फिश होती है सी में, समुद्र में, देयर आर अ ग्रेट मैनी मिलियन फिश इन द सी, ओके. बेटा, इफ यू हैव नॉट रिटन द आंसर, यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट इट नाइसली इन योर notebooks, okay. So the answer is, there are a great many million fish in the sea, okay. Now the next question is, why was the little fish unhappy? Little fish unhappy क्यों था, unhappy means very sad, okay. Why was little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small, क्योंकि वह बहुत छोटा था, इसलिए वह unhappy था, okay. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small, okay. If you have not written, kindly pause the video, then write, okay. Telling you second number question right now. So after finishing the second question only, you are supposed to shift to third questions, okay. What happened to the fish one day? एक दिन फिश के साथ क्या हुआ, one day fish got trapped. Trapped means फंसा हुआ, okay. One day the fish got trapped in the net, okay. One day the fish got trapped in the net while he was swimming with other fish. जब वह दूसरी फिश के साथ तैर रहा था, स्विम कर रहा था, उसने अपने आप को ट्रैप्ड मीन्स फंसा हुआ पाया, कहाँ, किसमें फंसा हुआ पाया, नेट, जाल में, ओके. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? जो लिटिल फिश था वो थैंकफुल क्यों था, Why was the little fish thankful to be a little fish? वह थैंकफुल मीन्स आभारी क्यों था, लिटिल फिश होने के लिए क्यों था, टेल मी. The little fish was thankful to be a little fish as he could escape from the net just because of his small size, okay. Repeat the answer. The fish was thankful to be a little fish as he could escape from the net only because of his small size. All right. Now beta, you will tell me the answers, okay. If you have not written, you can pause the video and write the answers, isn't it? Now you will tell me, how many fish are there in the sea?
There are a great many million fish in the sea.
Very nice. There are a great many million fish in the sea. Now next question. Why was the little fish unhappy?
The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small.
Very nice. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. Okay. The next question is, what happened to the fish one day?
One day the fish got trapped in a net while he was swimming with other fish.
Yes. one day the fish got trapped in the net while he was swimming with other fish. Okay. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The little fish was thankful. The fish was thankful to be a little fish. Tell me.
As he could escape from the net only because of his small size.
Yes, the little fish was thankful. The fish was thankful to be a little fish as he could escape from the net only because of his small size. Okay, very nice. That's all for today. In our next video, we will study next chapter, next unit. Okay, unit number 5, Boom the Balloon Man. And you can learn the work whatever we have done till now. I hope you all are following the teachers, whatever the teachers are telling you. Okay, you are very obedient. You all are so obedient, I know, and you are doing the work nicely in your copy and you are learning as well. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you for listening me patiently. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.